Hello, in this video I want to show you how to cool down Anycubic Kobra Neo. And to do this we have a few different options. First one is on the main menu screen, and here you can find your nozzle temperature. You can click on that and set it to 0 to start cooling down. The same is with the bed, you can do the same thing. And then there's the fan speed, which is, I guess, most important thing. You can set it to 100% to start cooling down. But there's also option to do all this in one click. Maybe one click, because I'm not counting going through menu. So let's click on menu, go for the configuration, select temperature, and here on the bottom you can find cool down. Click on it and your printers should start cooling down. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.